Let's begin with the mounting procedure for attaching the wall bracket to wood studs. For wood-framed walls with studs 12, 16, or 24 inches on center, first find two adjacent studs. Level the wall mounting bracket. Mark one hole in each corner, in line with the studs, for a total of 4 holes. For floor mounting the unit, follow these same requirements to install the wall mounting bracket. Fasten the bracket with the centers of the lower row of mounting holes 9 3/4 inches above a level floor. Drill pilot holes and secure the bracket with 1/4 inch stainless steel lag screws and matching washers. Ensure a minimum embedment of 2.5 inches into each stud. Be sure to account for the thickness of any surface such as sheetrock or exterior siding. Please consult the Tesla Powerwall Standard Anchorage Details document for more bracket attachment details. Confirm the bracket is secure. Mark the height of the top lip of the bracket with tape, and mark the location of the cleat on the back of the Powerwall 2 with tape on the sides of the unit. These marks will aid in mounting the equipment. Wall hanging the Powerwall 2. To remove the unit from its box, begin by folding down the end of the packaging. You can use the interior packaging cardboard as padding on the forks and against the back of your dolly. Position the unit on top of the forks of your dolly. Slide it to the back of the forks and secure it to the dolly. Make sure the strap is tight and secure. Now we're ready to hang the Powerwall 2. Move the dolly with the Powerwall 2 secure on the forks into place. Stabilize the climbing feet. Start raising the battery. Raise the unit high enough so that the cleats on the back clear the lips of the wall bracket. The tape on the unit must be higher than the tape on the wall. Unbuckle the safety strap and shift the unit to the edge of the forks with the assistance of a teammate. Slowly lower the Powerwall 2 into place with a teammate supporting the unit. Check to be sure that the unit is fully seated on both the top and bottom of the wall mounting bracket. The bracket is designed with a locking mechanism. We should hear an audible click when the unit is correctly seated onto the wall mounting bracket. When wall hanging the unit, remove the feet for a cleaner aesthetic. Save the feet in case you ever need to remove the Powerwall from the wall. Floor mounting the Powerwall 2. Floor mounting the unit is the preferred method. Please consider floor mounting the unit for ease of installation and a cleaner aesthetic. However, be aware of these caveats when determining the mounting location of the unit. Be sure the unit does not impede the drive path of any vehicles. The unit must be installed on a concrete surface. If you measure a 2-degree slope, over 1 inch of slope over the width of the Powerwall 2, you will have to shim the unit. Also, ensure the unit will not be sprayed with water in the case of automatic sprinklers, and is not installed in a location susceptible to flooding. With the wall bracket already fastened to the wall, use a standard dolly to transport the unit to the installation location. Be sure to protect the Powerwall 2 with cardboard between the unit and the dolly. Work with a teammate to lift the equipment by tilting the dolly back, which raises the unit a couple inches. Slowly shift the unit closer to the bracket. As with the wall mounting procedure, ensure the cleat on the back of the unit mates with the wall mounting bracket. Listen for an audible click when the unit is correctly seated onto the bracket. Be sure the unit is level. If necessary, use the shims provided in the supplementary hardware bag to adjust the position of the unit until it is level and plumb. Snap off the exposed shim. You're now